One of the suspects accused of supplying fentanyl to the victims in the Waikiki overdose case will appear in court tomorrow. Court documents allege it was all a mistake. So did he know it was fentanyl or not? And does it matter? Christy Tomashiro follows up.
The fourth person indicted in connection to the Waikiki fentanyl overdose case is Joseph Hamill, accused of being the street-level dealer. According to court documents, Hamill intended to distribute a ball of meth to victim number 1, but instead, by mistake, also distributed to him the 1 gram of fentanyl that he had received from Waz, as well as 1 gram of heroin. Hamill's attorney said in a statement, Mr. Hamill is accused of distributing fentanyl by mistake, believing it to be something else. In the same document, the government claims Mr. Hamill knowingly and intentionally distributed the same drug. Both cannot be true. Legal experts say in federal court, it doesn't matter what type of drug is distributed.
Under the Ninth Circuit law, in order to be convicted of distributing drugs, you do not need to know what specific type of drug that you distributed, as long as you knew it was a controlled substance.
Kana Draga said Avery Gerard and Jeffrey Waz are charged with conspiracy to distribute a controlled substance resulting in death. Hamill was not included in the conspiracy charges.
The other 3 defendants who are charged in the conspiracy are being charged with the result of his conduct. So that's the interesting thing to me about this indictment, is that Mr. Hamill has not yet been charged in the conspiracy.
Waz, accused of being the middleman, is not in custody due to a motion to not detain.
In a case like this, where there's mandatory minimum sentencing, the law actually presumes that you shall be detained. The defense has to come forward with special circumstances as to why you should be released.
The federal government says it has important tools when it comes to prosecuting these cases, and it comes with hefty penalties.
You can be facing a mandatory minimum sentence of 20 years and a potential a life sentence without parole.
Hamill will make his initial appearance on Wednesday. Christy Tomashiro, KH12 News, working for Hawaii.